Hello and welcome to the new ShellPoint Secure website. You may have already noticed the styling change to the page. This is due to the fact that the entire website has been rebuilt. While the layout of the site will seem familiar, the new infrastructure allows for development of future tools we believe you'll find useful. I want to take just a few minutes and identify some of the changes to the site. Let's start with the resident photo directory. This page has a similar layout to the old site with just a few updates. As before, the directory will default to displaying all residents within ShellPoint, and you can still limit this by selecting a court name on the left. The search function remains at the top, and the ability to update your directory listing has not changed. One of the new features within this page is new sorting features. Not only can you do first name, last name, and address, you can now sort them by the date in which they're added to the database. So you may find newer residents at the top through this tool. By selecting any thumbnail, you can view a full-size image of the resident. You may notice at the bottom there is now a phone number available. This number matches what is recorded in the resident phone directory. You can navigate between residents simply by clicking either side of the image. And you can close the image by clicking on the X or anywhere on the screen outside the photograph. Now let's move on to the Documents tab. In the menu, you will see you have two options, just like before, Documents and Video. Under the Document tab is a listing of resident council minutes. We now have archived back to February of 2017. We also have a ShellPoint phone directory and the resident manual. By selecting one of the documents, a PDF viewer will display its contents. You have navigational controls in the upper left-hand corner, arrow keys, and manual entry of pages, as well as a page navigator tool. You can view the document in full screen. To return to the document page, select the document link. Now let's move on to video. The video page retains its functionality with a slightly different aesthetic. We now have resident quarterly meeting videos archived back to June 2015. By selecting the red icon in the center of any of the videos, playback will begin. You have standard YouTube controls, resolution, volume, and scrubbing. And finally, let me show you a feature that's available at the bottom of any of the pages I've shown you so far, and that is your Account tab. By selecting this link, the information that we have on file for this system is displayed to the screen. You can change your password here, and additional information will become available on this page as we integrate new functionality. Thank you for taking this quick tour with me. If you have any questions about the system, please use the link in the bottom right-hand corner that says Support Issues regarding this website. This will put you in direct contact with our staff, and we will hope to resolve any problems that you may have. Thank you again. Have a great day.